It's close to that day of putting the final paint job on Deja Blu. As you can see, we've made lots of progress. Pretty much all the insides and underneath of the car is all painted. So tomorrow they're gonna start, hopefully finish the exterior. You can see it's a shame that I'm gonna have to cover this up with interior. It looks pretty damn nice. Probably better than it ever looked. So we have the final prep all done to lay down the exterior color. Again, that's going to happen tomorrow. Here's the front hood. You can see that underneath is already done. The underside. Here's the doors. Inside of the doors are already prepped. Now we just have the exterior to go. There's the interior. Fenders are all ready. There is zero fill on this. This is all sheet metal. Every nook and cranny and corner of this thing has been done right. So there's definitely not any hidden gremlins on this. Let me see if I could get underneath this a little bit. Still has one of the body numbers on it here. Only like 8 weeks to go for the MCCAN Show. So it's going to be a marathon from this point to get everything assembled on this. But I think we have everything either prefabbed, ready in hand, so we don't have to wait for any orders. Of course, there's going to be those few little things we missed, and hopefully that won't cause a problem. And all hands on deck for the next 8 weeks assembling this. Getting the interior in it, all the trunk trim, the rear end in, front suspension, engine, all the gaskets, heater assembly, wiper assembly. So a lot to go, but like I said, it's in the background. It's been staged different places, so it's not like we have to actually clean and do stuff to that stuff. It's going to be all ready to be put in here. So stay tuned. Next time you see a video, it's probably going to be all in color.